Hello everyone, Alex here from Porsche Centre Dublin, presenting the stunning 2017 172 Dublin registered Porsche Panamera 4E Hybrid. This car is finished in volcano grey metallic paint, 21-inch 911 turbo design wheels and black and crayon leather inside the car. Listing out the features of this car has 14-way power seats in the front with memory package, adaptive cruise control, air outlets, grilled painted, ambient lighting, Bose speaker system, brake calipers with black finish, carbon interior package inside the car, comfort access, cup holder covers, deletion of model designation, exterior mirrors painted as well, home link, lane keep assist, panoramic roof system as well, park assist including surround view, power steering plus, privacy glass, rear wiper, soft closed doors, sport design package on the outside of the car, sport design side skirts, sports tailpipes in black, steering wheel heating, storage package, and it also comes with the tinted LED tail lights including light strip and wheel centers with full Porsche crest. Stunning car on the outside, E-hybrid badge there on the side as well, 911 turbo design wheels, privacy glass there in the rear as well, charging cover that side. Then you got the rear of the car, arguably as good looking as the front, and you've got your tinted strip there, so the Porsche behind there is black, sports tailpipes in black as well. You've got your 4 exhausts, reversing camera and reversing parking sensors. Inside the boot then you've got electronically folding tailgate, nice big boot there, the seats go down in the rear, plenty of room for shopping, luggage, suitcases and golf clubs. Nice sunny day today. Charging or petrol cap cover this side. That's your other alley wheel there as well. Inside the car then you've got the black and crayon leather interior, smooth finish leather, Isofix fittings that side and either side as well. Of course 2 seats in the rear, carbon interior package, so you've literally got carbon everywhere. Really nice touch. That's your headlining, and then you got the sunroof in the rear and the sunroof in the front. Carbon then in the doors, electric windows, and then Bose speaker system. Driver seat here then, electric of course as well, memory package, and then you got the passenger seats the same, armrest there in the middle, and then your panoramic fixed sunroof. Carbon then in the doors, electric windows and mirrors, and boot release as well, and then you got your memory package as well, so you can save your seat setting. Panamera 4 badging there on the door sill. Then you got your Porsche steering wheel here in smooth black finish leather. The sports chrono package gives you this button on the steering wheel so you can switch between sport mode and sport plus, and it also gives you the clock in the center. You've got steering wheel heating as well, which is a button down here, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, indicators on the left and then wipers on the right, and then you got carbon throughout the car. Your 5 dials there, rev counter in the middle, speedometer, and the car's 111,000 kilometers on the clock. 8-speed Tiptronic S gearbox there in the middle. You've got your nice big touch screen, you got sat nav, Bluetooth, radio, connect your phone to the car and play music. Dual climate control, heated seats in the front as well, and then you got your carbon package throughout the car, which looks amazing as well. Stunning car inside and out. E-hybrid badging there. So that's the 2017 Porsche Panamera 4E Hybrid in volcano grey metallic. If you'd like further information on this car, give ourselves a call on 01235 3375. Many thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the video and take care. Bye now.